Today we're discussing authority revocation. So buckle up and let's get started. All right, let's break this down. What exactly does authority revocation mean? In simple terms, it's when the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, or FMCSA, cancels a trucking company's authority to operate. This can happen for various reasons, like not having the right insurance, missing paperwork, or failing safety audits. Once your authority is revoked, you can't legally operate until you resolve the issues and get reinstated. Now, you might wonder, why is keeping your authority important? Well, think of it as your golden ticket. Without it, you can't legally haul freight. That means no loads, no revenue, and potentially losing business to competitors who are compliant. It's the backbone of legal operations in the trucking world. So, what can trigger an authority revocation? Number one on the list is insurance. If your insurance lapses or isn't up to FMCSA standards, your authority can be revoked faster than you might think. Next up is paperwork. Missing or incorrect filings can also land you in hot water. And let's not forget safety. If your company fails safety audits, you're at risk too. And here's a crucial tip. Stay proactive. Regularly check your compliance status. Keep up with paperwork and always ensure your insurance is active and meets FMCSA standards. Now, if you find yourself facing authority revocation, don't panic. It's not the end of the road. You can get things back on track, but it requires addressing the specific reasons for revocation. This might mean updating insurance, submitting missing documents, or appealing a decision if you believe an error was made. However, these tasks can be daunting and time-consuming. This is where FMCSA Registration.com comes into play. We specialize in helping motor carriers, truck drivers, and brokers with FMCSA registration compliance across the U.S. With our expertise, you can efficiently navigate the reinstatement process and get back to business. Remember, staying on top of your authority status is not just about compliance. It's about keeping your business running smoothly and successfully. Keep your paperwork in order, maintain your insurance, and prioritize safety. That way you can avoid revocation and keep your wheels turning. That's all for today's video on authority revocation. We hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content. And if you need assistance with your FMCSA compliance, visit FMCSAregistration.com or call us at 866-477-0707 and let them help you stay on the road. Thanks for watching and drive safe.